Hi guys, it's me Wajeeha name and welcome to my channel. In this video, I will tell you about an amazing Canva app from which you can crop your images as you want. So let's get started. First, we will upload the image which you want to crop. I will upload this image. Now we will adjust this image into canvas. Now we will search for choppy crops. This app is nowadays are trending on Canva, so we will see how it works. And this is the app. So use choppy crop to crop your images in custom shapes using the lasso tool. Easily crop unwanted areas or crop your images into funky shapes using choppy crop. So we will open this app and just select the image, and here is the image. Now where would you like the crop selector to crop the image? Clicking the first point will complete the crop. So now we will select from here and we will just start clicking on the image to crop it. Cropping, just clicking along the image. Now just join this and you will see this in the preview. If you want more cropping or want to adjust, so you can reset it and start it again. So we will just add it to our design and see the result. As you can see, our image has been cropped. This is how you can crop your images in minutes in Canva. I hope you like this tutorial. See you in the next video. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you will not miss the latest video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.